Got this on started? Nice.
No.
Let's go. Started.
Oh my god.
Ooh, this one's a good one.
Yeah, better than the other one.
And it's actually pretty worse.
That one's pretty working.
Ooh, it's starting to spark.
Sparkling. It's sparkling.
It's leaving beams of light on my screen.
You got a key or something?
Sparkling.
Break this one?
Whoa.
Huh?
Oh wait, no, never mind.
There's other fireworks. Wow. Look at this.
No, there's a whole bunch right there. Go through that box first, and then we'll move to this one.
Okay.
Tony,
Yeah.
spots, stay there.
All right, I'll pick here.
Stop jumping around.
I already asked that too much.
Man, I'm glad those things aren't like the fireworks.
Whoa.
Oh shit, let it go.
Whoa, it changed.
Go sit over there and sit. Now, go sit right there.
Whoa. That was a big one.
Juicy that gets cocked too goes in for the shower. And no more fireworks.
This is gonna be the big one.
Understood? Silas? Understood?
Big cloud. Big cloud of smoke right there. Like a mini cloud right there.
Tony, you gotta move. I'm gonna get this right to you.
Julio, you probably have to carry Gio out because he's about to sleep.
You want to really see a firework? Wait a minute, let me grab the propane tank.
Oh yeah, let's do that. All right. Oh, it's starting again. Bit loud. Bit loud. Oh, there goes the carbon. That was a short one. That really was a short one. This is going on YouTube.
Show up, Renee. Just tell them dogs in the
Fireworks. Just fireworks. Up, there it goes. Kicked.
Nighttime, I'm about ready to let him go out to the bathroom.
And there goes the... Oh, there it is. It's lighted. Zoom in on it.
He went pee and then went...
Whoa!
Oh, dang.
Just launch something.
Look up on the screen. Make sure it's not.
I know, right?
Well, it's going to be on there anyway.
Up. Not as big as the other ones, but really smelly. Yeah. All right.
Spin around like oh shit.
I'm going to be commentating like this now.
Put out its dirt. Ain't nobody gonna see him. Let him out. Let him go pee real quick. And then... Alright. He does not. During the day on the leash is one thing, but there ain't gonna be nobody paying attention right now.
Well, I don't want him to be running over to the damn
Still got the
No, I know,
music
that's
going.
fine. When we're done, I'll let him out.
Yeah. I'm getting out of the smoke.
It's very calm on that.
Just stay up here.
It's lighting. And go.
He just doesn't like it.
Staying quiet.
He thinks he's walking.
Whoa. That is a good one. Has a little bit of green in it. Oh, crackle.
Okay, are you having some steam?
Look at all that smoke. Ooh. Yeah. That red hot fire.
Your sister. Sit there, don't
That's just a fire.
Alright, who needs a cigarette? You know what?
What?
Cigars in the morning. I can't smoke.
Why?
Because it'd take me a good 2 hours.
Should've thought about that earlier, dear.
Should have thought about some cigar.
You know what? You know what, Dad? Smoke it tomorrow when you wear your shirt to work.
Can't smoke it at work.
Dad, just walk in with it.
Oh,
Yep,
here it
and
is
then
again.
put
It's
it
getting
out.
blurry.
You know?
And-
That will make him Dad. Cupid's just laying across the floor like I'm chill.
Whoa, that one's a big one. Look at that smoke.
I got
Clown.
this ready.
Ooh, another fire.
shut, and then that went off and his eyes open.
That made my screen start glitching.
Girls, what did I tell you? Sit down. It's the last warning.
I'm gonna sit down for this. Oh.
I'm not kidding. No more fireworks. Last warning.
Alright, another one.
We're trying to do the fireworks so you can enjoy it, not to have to
This is a good content video. Oh, there it is. Oh, there it is. And, ooh, it's a flame one. Look at that. Oh, no, it's blasting white.
That one didn't phase either, them two.
That does cancel out. That was really glitchy in my screen. It looks like my screen is broken for a second.
You don't think I'm not watching? Think again.
Yeah. Okay. Another one. Oh, here's one. Going. Probably gonna go snack, crackle, pop. Yeah, it's probably gonna go snack, crackle, pop. Went out quick. So, and there he is.
You know,
Pop.
we're gonna have to take a trip down to south of the border.
Hey, Dad.
Just for fireworks?
I'm thinking of visiting Grandpa
Dad's
soon.
coming up.
Yep.
Tell your father. We need
Hey,
some
Dad.
supplies.
There's that $600 box in the back there. Can you grab it?
You know the one that has the little shooter that goes up? Yeah, that one. Well, there's like 25 different ones. Which one? All of them.
Oh, here's another
Oh, the
one.
with the cherry bomb in there.
Yeah, right? Looks like a cannon.
Oh,
You know, one minute Timmy lit up the Cubans' backyard on it.
That little fire thing. It was probably the fountain glitter.
That was your mom's firework.
wow.
Stomp, Eric. You know that stomp Ron thing? We're gonna change it to stomp, Eric.
Only got 2 minutes of footage left. And I'm good.
No.
Yeah, Dad. Are you lit?
Whoa, whoa, whoa. That's a little one. Little big one.
No, I'm not lidded.
That was a small one.
Itsy bitsy,
Again.
teeny weeny little firecracker.
Wow.
Tell me about that littedness.
Oh, here's another one. A big one.
Wait until they figure out what that underlying really means.
Whoa. This is commentary on fireworks. I'm going to be heading out in a minute.
Stop talking.
This is a honky tonk, lighting fireworks.
I don't quite classify those as
Going
fireworks.
on all night long.
I think I could do 15. I don't know.
Bang down, light that
Now the fireworks I grew up with.
Yeah, I know. Ow, stop holding my head.
Ain't that cute?
Okay. You want to fall off your dad's shoulder.
The hell was that?
Reminds me of Ethan.
It obviously
Wow.
was a
Hello?
mini
What?
firework. It's a spark.
Small.
Spark. It was an inch spark.
It's a firework like your mom in the likes of men. Flames right up and flames right out.
Oh, these are the little fountain flashers thingies, my jiggers.
If that's a flasher, there's a problem.
This is the small one.
Well, stop with the small ones.
Yeah,
I'm not the one picking the small ones up.
They're disappointing as
Go
it
for
is.
the bigger ones. Go for the ones that shoot up. Pow.
Lightning
another
bugs over
one.
there are better.
Oh, he's.
It got some power inside with all its little mic.
That's what she said.
Yeah.
I think I can.
No, I can't.
Ethan, take notes.
Yes, Steven.
There goes another one.
Said I had enough.
That's the same thing your brother said last time.
What did you say? I'll walk home
What
and
was
figure it
that?
out. What did you just say?
I don't know.
I saw that firecracker fell.
Hey, Eric, these are not getting better.
Go for the bigger ones.
After it was lit. I'll figure my way out.
Again. Lighting it again.
Dies off too soon. Or when the buzz dies off too soon.
Okay, there's too soon as there's these firecrackers.
And then there's an ER because Eric's playing them.
What was that again?
That's so small you could zoom into full and it would still fit on my screen.
What was bigger ones?
Bigger ones.
Bigger ones.
Bigger ones.
Bigger ones.
Yep.
Bigger ones.
Come on, another small one. Let me zoom into full. There it is.
Why do we always do small ones? What was that?
Still, could fit it on my screen. Let me do full.
Do the bigger one. Yes, we have bigger ones.
Yes. Now this is a party.
This is a big party, not a little party.
We're generating so much smoke.
That's as big as it went.
Yeah.
Like, look at the smoke.
Yeah.
Remember, Dad, it didn't go too
that
high
makes
and it
bigger
didn't fall
smoke.
too low.
Melissa,
That's more of my
Melissa,
motivational
is this
drive.
the conversation we should be
Hey.
having now?
Wow, it's a big one.
Now that's lit.
Now that's a big one.
Is that good enough for you, Dad?
We need a bigger one.
Bigger one.
No, I think he's on the corner.
Bigger one. Bigger one.
Kick.
Bigger one. Bigger one. Bigger one. Yeah. Bigger one.
Yeah, bigger one.
I think he's actually in his van.
Can we do bigger ones?
Yeah, he was in his car.
Putting one down.
Bigger one.
And lighting. Up, it's lit. It's lit. And up.
No, you can't have those. Sorry.
What was that?
Oh.
I wouldn't go
Oh, there he goes.
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
That was a little bit satisfying.
That was so satisfying.
Up.
That was awesome.
Bigger.
Is it me or did the middle one just not light up?
It didn't light up.
It did light up.
Yeah,
I'm
right?
not playing with fireworks and re-rigging them new. Did that when I was
Bigger one,
your age,
bigger
I
one.
won't do it now.
I wouldn't just toss it to the side then, because what if it lights up?
Me and your uncles had too many times where they blew up right in our hands doing that shit.
I remember those days.
I was.
The other one.
Big ass moon rocket. Let it go, let it go. No, I can't let it go.
Whoa.
Firecrackers. They blew up his little fingers. Like his fingers and stuff.
Which one? Which one's in it light?
No, it lit. It just didn't lit all the way. It's one of the boxes.
Can I have that?
For what?
It's my lighter.
Oh,
Don't go fooling with it. Don't go fooling with it, 'cause I I don't know where the hell where it would have let loose, and
Done.
they ain't gonna give you nothing more than a quick whip.
Bigger.
Essentially, it's a Grandma, let's do big go. It'd be much funner if we had a big
How big can we get?
He's getting a video of that. Wait, off.
Let's go for the biggest one.
Biggest. Kill the dude. Take all the Guess what?
Oh, sparkling.
Yo. No way.
It's implanted on the leaf.
What was that?
That was your dog, and that's what that was.
Although she didn't. What? She didn't. What was that?
Planted.
When those all explode at the same time. It'll be the best.
See, technically, you should have That made a lot of smoke.
Yeah, but it did so little.
Now that's what I'm talking about.
Silent but smoky.
No, I thought
How much you
Dad
spend on
grabbed
your
that.
table saw sharpener?
$20.
Oh, that's a small one.
I just came across one that's actually portable. You just clip it to the blade, and it'll sharpen it right there.
I was thinking about getting that. It won't sharpen it like the other stuff.
Stop, or I'm telling Daddy to put you back inside.
That was awesome. That was awesome.
Make sure it's not gonna set the tree on fire, though.
It's a big one.
Huh.
Where's the big pew pew ones?
Yeah, look at that.
No, we're gonna be hitting. If we got those, we'd be hitting the tree. We're not gonna set the tree on fire.
Alright. Where's the small pew pew ones that just peel like about 3 feet? 4 feet? Whoa. Big one.
That was cute.
Small one, but good.
Look at that, that's why.
Bigger one.
But if you notice, there was no activity going on whatsoever.
I put the fan in the upper window so it could burn out. It was getting bad up there.
Oh my goodness. No, Rick found it. Just throwing,
Where's the dual fans that was up there?
Yeah! Oh my god!
Above your head.
Yeah! It went in the
Anything on
tree!
fire, but
Papa, it went in the tree!
I landed in the tree.
Literally hit that branch right up there.
I need to rewind that in slow motion.
Yeah, rewind it in slow motion.
I'm waiting for it to all end so I can put this on YouTube and get content views.
Oh yeah, duh.
I'm gonna get rich.
Kyle, do you have the dual fan?
I don't know where
You're going to get so
It was in your room last year from that window in it.
Yeah, but I put it downstairs. And someone put it somewhere.
I'll find it.
Put it downstairs. It's still down there.
Oh,
It'll be on the shelf. But
Dad just went up there. That was so
Renee,
cool,
get
right?
outside.
Yeah, I didn't even see it in the camera or my eyes.
Nice listening.
went like
Thanks
the
for Father's Day
bam.
gift.
Boop. Bam. Done. That was even the biggest one. Now that was the biggest one.
What was that last box that like shot something in the air? Let's do that again.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
want to see it in full view.
I want to make you light it so I can see it shoot.
All right,
Go light it.
I'll light it.
There, you light it. You lit it. Hey, I'm kissing.
The episode opens in Matthias as former Sheriff Deputy Rick Brown scavenges for gas and supplies at an abandoned convenience store in rural Georgia on a deserted highway. He spots a little girl.
You better put that thing where-
Can I light one of them?
Rick shoots her in the head. Returning to several weeks prior, Rick is seriously injured while chasing down criminals.
Krista, tell Renee to get out here.
Can you explain the timeline to her?
I know mine. I watched her 3 times. Alright, enough. End of discussion. Read that. Ow! What? Ow!
That better be the big one.
No, that's the one that goes. Zoom.
All right, got it in full
Wait,
view.
what?
Oh, no, we don't.
Should be outside in a minute.
I want the soup one.
Me too. I hope it's that one.
Whoa, that was a thump one, all right. 22 minutes long. Huh. So, I want another one that goes.
It goes in that tree.
No, it's gonna shoot like 10 feet.
Probably 20 feet.
No.
Or 30 feet. I hope that one goes.
This is a whole bunch of sulfur.
Tony, I hope that one goes thump.
It's probably just a regular one. Could be thumper.
Come on, thump. Come on.
Can you stop?
Thumpy, 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 thumpy. Bam, baram, 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 baram.
That was awesome.
Another thump
Oh,
one.
look it.
Oh.
I got more right here.
You people is like,
Bebe, behandling it. The propaganda.
thump, 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 thump.
Thump. Thump. Thump. Thump. Thump.
Well, that was a thump.
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 Really big jump.
Let's put this in full.
Put that in slow motion.
No, I'm putting it in regular video so I can put it in slow motion. Or I could rewind it and put it in slow motion. I can make the perfect like grenade shooting out of a chute noise. Thump. 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 Thump.
Look at that. It made
Thump.
a lot of smoke.
Thump.
Yeah,
Thump.
it did.
Thump. 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 Thump.
I thought
Some-
that was being
some-
fire.
Thump. Thump. Thump.
That's the cutest one.
Yes, I'm on 25 minutes now.
This one's called Divas.
Ooh!
God. Oh, I know what Diva is, guys. Pretty cool.
And vitamin D is not enough to even important. I'll watch him do it.
Does it launch something in the air?
No.
Thump.
More smoke out of that than
Thump.
everything else.
Oh yeah, look.
Oh yeah, you can see a whole cloud of it.
Yeah, like better than the clouds. It looks like a young guy's clothes.
It's like a fire's happening.
Yeah, like something is happening.
Thump. Thump.
Get out!
Thump.
Get out of the way!
Thump. Thump.
I'll be going to bed right after the shower.
Thump. Thump.
Ruby, it's late. We're
Thump.
almost done. Alright?
Thump.
It's going on 10 o'clock. By the time you get done with your shower, you should be wanting to get to bed by 11. Alright?
Whoa.
You get done first, you can watch TV until Asylum
Thump.
time. That's it. That's all you get.
Thump.
Understood?
Thump.
You don't like that?
Thump.
Then I'm going now.
Thump.
Huh? Then lose the attitude, please.
Was that good?
Yeah, it was. So a bigger one.
That was huge.
Bigger.
It made a big cloud.
Expensive firework in the front.
It made a cloud.
I don't know. You
Let's
still got
go
the big
for
one left, and
bigger.
This is the one that we lit
Bigger
up
and bigger.
yesterday.
I hope
This
that
one's
one
gonna
pops up.
Way better than that one
Because
was.
that one's better.
Yeah, but pretty much the grand finale.
The grand finale is the bigger one.
Watch it do what the other one did and like skip all of them to the last one.
Right.
I don't want it.
Just tell them, just write a note to the company and be like, whoever made these fireworks, your mom got
Put it back saying I'd like a refund.
Yeah, for real. I want my money back. Your mom's a hoe.
Clap it if you love it.
Yeah, right?
You want to go in and take a shower?
Tony,
What?
clap it if you love it.
Yeah, take a shower.
What type of rip-off knockoffs are these? I'm taking my ass back down south.
Walk that way. Walk that way.
This is what you gotta tell them. I'm taking my ass back down south.
Yeah, I remember growing up in the 80s, freaking cherry bombs, cherry blossoms. Cherry blossoms.
I remember living in Florida. That was like the best time we ever had fireworks. It was when we lived in Florida, down south.
Wait,
We
you
never
live
got to
in...
go to the Gasparilla parade or the fireworks that they do down there.
I know.
And 80s, light them, throw them in the water.
I went when I went to Daytona, cause you know how they have them right over there by the speed bowl,
Yeah.
right there. I went to that one. That one was freaking awesome.
They, the ones that they do down in Tampa and stuff.
Yeah, that one, the one that they did right there at the speed bowl, that was awesome.
Oh, hey,
Not even gonna
Papa.
lie.
Remember that day a very, very long time ago, and we went to Six Flags, and we had that like show, and there was like a big fireworks. That was so awesome, better than this one.
I remember when we went to the place where we camped out for like a week. Yeah, when we went to the show, that like show thing.
Yeah, that was.
They had
so
so much
cool.
fireworks and so much fire and so much lasers. I loved
Yeah,
it.
like someone.
And I got 2 Minecraft swords from it. One for Ethan, one for me. But they both don't work now. They're both used to light up.
one pops up. Clap your hands if it will pop up.
How much more until the grand finale?
How much more until the grand finale? I want to see the grand finale.
I got the little sassy one.
Now that was cooler than the
That lit up the whole neighborhood.
That was cooler than the other one.
Put in your muffler, go down the road.
Oh wow.
That was better than the other
So
one.
are you gonna do the tiny ones before that one?
Yup. Tiny ones before grand finale.
That one is the graph
And
now.
this is where you have your notepad and pen.
Leave me alone.
Papa is lit.
Grand finale, guys.
This is the graph finale. That is. No, that was bigger than that one.
Tried with all its might. The little firework that could. Yep.
Okay.
Huh, yeah.
Finale.
Thank y'all for
Okay,
coming
now
out.
it's the graph finale.
Appreciate it.
Now it's the grand finale.
Now, if we do have more fireworks, I'm going to knock myself out.
Go ahead.
I want to see.
We're waiting. We're waiting. I got this on video. Oh wait, what?
Leo, make that phone call.
Wait.
I'll push myself
I got you on camera. I got you on camera. Got you on camera. Knock yourself out. Knock yourself out.
For everybody else.
Look, go ahead, knock yourself out. There's another one.
Yeah, I will knock myself out.
Go ahead. I dare you.
Poppity, poppity, pop.
Go
I
ahead.
dare you to knock
Go
yourself
ahead.
out.
Go in the light. Go over there. Go over there where the truck is and knock yourself out.
No.
I'm gonna catch it on video.
No.
Hey, you said you would. You gotta
You said you would, so go do it.
No.
Go do it in the light over there.
No.
Yes.
No.
You couldn't do it if you tried.
I can't do it because my boob still
Oh.
hurts.
All you need to do is
Don't
just
worry, you won't feel your boobie once you knock yourself out.
all you need to do is just grab something metal.
All right, enough.
And then you.
No, and then you ask someone to hit your head with it.
Oh yeah.
And then boom, you're knocked out.
Stop.
It's strong
You
enough.
knock yourself out.
Yeah, that's strong enough though.
If you were Superman, and I was just like a human, you could pick a house up and knock it on my head.
Yeah, I am a crackhead.
Oh my God! Don't say that.
I don't care.
What?
Do the grand finale. That made more sense.
No, there's
than
a
that.
little bit more.
It's a good thing you really don't know what that is.
I really do know what it
Oh,
is.
that actually hurt my head.
I really do know what it is.
So cute. Hi, I'm a crackhead.
I'm a crackhead. You're a crackhead. What do you like to be a crackhead too?
We're gonna be all together trying to introduce someone to the family, and gonna get around to Tony and Ruby, and they're gonna be like, "Oh, you're so cute." We're gonna go, "Hi, I'm Ruby. This is my crackhead cousin."
Hey!
Yeah, do that, do that. Do that. I am a crackhead. Do that, do that, do that.
Mommy said he'll be
Do
I'll
that.
call you all stupid if you say that one
No,
more time.
do that.
Tony said
When you're introducing me to someone, tell them I'm the crackhead cousin.
let's all be crackheads.
Yeah, let's all be crackheads.
Oh my God!